This apartment that we stayed at in Hanoi was very well located, and we were within walking distance to restaurants and bars.
And my aunt T, Daphne, and I didn't expect this place to be as big as it is, but it's a 3-bedroom, full kitchen, dining room area, air conditioners in every room. Check this out. Comfy chair to sit and read or watch TV, and a nice sitting area, nice TV, and there's also a balcony, which is great. Looks out onto the street, and you see it's long this way. Some art, nice wood floors. I love wood floors. Easy to keep clean. You gotta take off your shoes when you're in Vietnam when you come in. So we wore our cheap Delta slippers that we got when we flew over here. Now mine's on. And there's lots of storage space, plenty of closets. There's 2 bathrooms. There's one in here. Standalone shower. The one in the master bedroom has a tub as well. Did you know that, Dad? And this bedroom also, it shares a balcony with the bedroom. That's next door. Nice drapes. King size bed. See if it's comfy. Ooh, that shit feel like a it feels like a box spring. Ooh, that's heavy. That thing is not comfortable. But here it is. And so you see in the kitchen, we got a washer, washing machine, double sink, microwave, oven, full-size fridge, water dispenser. I guess you call that an island. It's more like a cabinet to me. Nice floor. So this is a very nice place. I definitely would recommend it. Plenty of dishes. It's great. This is a great place. It's super comfortable. The pictures online, I booked this on booking.com. They do not do this place justice. So here's my room at the Atlanta Suites. We have a 3-bedroom apartment. There's a king size bed. There's a window over here. I mean, not a window, but there is a window. But there's also a nice size closet. There's an ensuite bathroom, full-size mirror. You have that closet over here. Maybe this one has robes. There's a lot of closets in here. More than I thought. Oh yeah, there's some robes in here. What does this say? Okay. Definitely make use of that. It's a scale in case you eat too much Vietnamese food and get fat. And you can know how much you weigh. There's another closet. Standalone shower. Toilet, bidet. Hooks. Nice sink. Nice towels. Nice tile. So really nice place. It's very large. I'm gonna meet you in a minute. I'll bring my shit.
Across the street from our accommodations was a nice little coffee shop where I had my first coconut coffee. And we sat here I'm gonna say morning, but we were starting our day at 2 and 3 o'clock because of the jet lag. But starting our day and having coffee. I particularly like the coconut coffee that Vietnam makes. It's delicious. And so we just did some people watching. When you walk down our street in our neighborhood, you'll come across another coffee shop where we discovered the gingerbread man. And then we seen the gingerbread man on the roof or the balcony, and it looked like he was trying to escape the coffee shop to keep from being eaten. Hey, there he is. When you walk down our street more, it's just kind of a busy street during the daytime. It was lively, I would say, but at the night it was very peaceful. There was a Circle K right below our building. moving to Da Nang next. So come back and watch our activities and fun times. Thanks for watching.